All right, here we go. Another video. It is January 4th, 2026. Going over a lot of these crypto moves on the market, not the crypto exchange. XXRP. A lot of people don't talk about these. They're very oversold, just as in crypto. They basically follow crypto. What's this? This is called a Tiercrium, 2 times long daily XRP ETF. So you look back on this one, 25 gives the 40. And then it goes to 21 back in, May, June. Then it takes off. This had one big rip in June. So we're talking, we'll say this 25 line, and it goes to 25 to a high of 68.88 on July 21st. This is a fast move. And then that was all she wrote, went down. Little bounces here, went down further. Now I have these pink arrows, they're shorts, or it could be long. You got to look in the chart and figure, short here, right here, another. You're going to trend line down. This is a short. Sometimes they'll be longs. And this in the yellow is the algo long. All right, so 68, what I say, 88. And this one down and down. This is down 85%. It might be even further. When I did the video before on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, it was, around here 15, I think, or 11. It's back up to 1152. So this went to actually a low of 933. It's at 1152 right now. This is a very good candle. A lot of the charts look like this. You're out of this wedge. This is a wedge from July. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months down. Very good sign we're coming out of it now. It's 20% on Friday. Weekly chart, it's even better for longs at this point. When you're this oversold, this is a new chart, so it's coming down on stochastics. Red's been over white pretty much up here, and you went to a low. You're talking 256. That's extreme. When you're below 20, it's oversold. When you're in the 0 to 10 zone, you're talking way down here, down 85% on this. Monthly chart, you're showing finally a green candle. Daily chart again. Now, this is my thinking on this. What'll happen? A lot of these charts are looking the same. They're very oversold. All crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP. I'm talking the main ones here, and a lot of the other ones. So you get a 10 here on this. You're coming out of the wedge down, and I'm targeting, very quickly 15 to 20. That could happen. That would be my first target, and then if we're getting out there to 20, we could pull back on this ride up, but then I'm looking for 20 to 25. And then we'll see from there how this plays out. We're going to keep going and make a bigger move, being down 85%. With 68 and 10, 78. So you're talking 40 and 40s, 80. There'll be a 50% move back up retracement right now. So 50% retracement of 40. If we get there, that'll be incredible. So it's possible. We'll see how this plays out. The market futures right now, they're kind of flat, not doing much. Nasdaq's up a little bit, 80. So let's look at though crypto. Where is it? XRP. All right. So XRP daily chart. You have this hold. Basically, it's been holding two for years now, going back to 2024, actually. And you can see this line. Look at this line right here. Now, we went through many times, but it always bounces from there. Look at this liquidity move. I went down to one. Remember in October, a lot of people just lost it. So this two line here basically, or you can say like 195-ish. Draw your line down from here, way down, 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 down. You're coming out of it right now. You're starting to break that trend. Weekly chart. You can see when this hits two, look at all the wicks bouncing from two. They go up. And then I would say this 250 line's important. A lot of times we get stuck there, and then you're talking three, and then of course that high right here. So monthly chart showing a first green here, trying to hold on this. What's the 1 hour look like? The 1 hour, you can see this move up 185. You're climbing. It's looking very good on XRP. So XXRP is going to follow that. You can trade this on regular exchange. So that is my look here. Let me go to my other chart. All right, so let me move this over. All right, so XXRP, this is on stock charts. You can see that move. Look at this move coming out as like flag or downward wedge channel. 20 goes to 67, like a blink of an eye. What a move in volume. Then that was it. Down, down, 1113. Very oversold on all the indicators starting to come up that are trying to just grind up here. Biggest move on RSI in a while. Weekly chart. You can see if you draw your line right down here, that would put us, coming out of it. 381 stochastics. CCI is way down, and you're starting to move up now. Getting out of this minus 100 to minus 94. Money flow is going up. Anything on the monthly? Monthly's just showing. It's not much. These are all new. So you're showing green right there. Let's see, 6 month chart. So there it is. There's a lot of tags in here with the price target, or not price target, the price where it's at. So this is looking better, turning up XXRP, and I expect big things to start to move. And then let's get to 15 to 20, and then we'll see what happens from here. And we'll see what crypto does too. If crypto can start making moves back up. That's it. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kim Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. I'm on all other social media. I've been blasting all these charts. A lot of big calls this year. ETHU, called Bitcoin many times. I call it ALK, ULCC. There's a ton of videos on Facebook, Instagram, Lemon 8, Patreon, Rumble, Threads, TikTok. What else? X. And that's it. Peace.